Student, today I want to make video lecture on light and phenomena of light. Okay, so the topic is what is the meaning of light? Clear? What is the meaning of light? According to 10th standard, light is a form of energy. Light is form of energy. Light क्या है? Light is form of energy. And it has caused of sensation. Sensation of light. It has caused of sensation of light by which we can observe things or object. Clear? Light is a form of energy. It has cause of sensation. It is very important. By which we can observe things or object. Clear? It is a basic definition of light. But according to the current scenario about light definition, light is a electromagnetic wave. Second point is light is a electromagnetic wave. Remember this thing. In shortcut, it is known as EM wave. Electromagnetic wave. Its nature is, according to the diagram, electric and magnetic vectors goes in this medium. This is an electric vector, and another is, it is a magnetic vector. E and V both are perpendicular to each other and both are alternate to each other. Means this is the propagation direction. Propagation direction. Okay. This is not essential for 10th standard, but you know always light is electromagnetic wave. And which type of the wave? So we want to hear diagram of the electromagnetic wave as such type diagram of wave is called electromagnetic wave. Second theme, according to the particle nature, light has photon. लाइट में क्या होते हैं? फोटॉन्स होते हैं. Light have as such type of particles. That particle in light is known as photon. Means this is called photon, and another name of this photon is quanta. Another name is quanta, and its energy h nu. Means photon is a particle of energy, but photon considered as a particle. So according to the wave nature, light is an electromagnetic wave. According to the particle nature, light has photon. But nowadays, in 20th century, light have both nature, wave as well as particle nature. Wave as well as particle nature. Okay. Now, how much the terms essential for light? I know some topics, just like a ray of light. What the meaning of ray of light? What the meaning of ray? Ray means the energy of light represents with the arrow. This type of indication of light or symbolizations of light or abbreviations of light is called ray. Okay. If light energy represent with the arrow, this is called ray of light. Suppose that it is only conveys. Okay. This show the ray of light, and actually this light ray have form of energy. Means all these called ray. Okay. And according to the mathematics, ray means which emerge from the source and goes infinite. Emerge from the source means it is the source and goes infinite. As such type of the line is called ray. Okay. Ray and line have both finite source and target, but ray having a finite source, fixed source or real source, but no end point available. As such type of indication is called. So it is the definition, actual definition of ray, in which originate point available, but I don't know about the final point. As such type of indication is called, indication by arrow is called ray. Now, what is the beam of light? Beam of light. Second point is beam of light. Beam of light means beam is the name of group of light rays. Group of light rays. Group of light rays is called beam. Suppose this is the number of light rays, okay, and all the light rays grouping to each other. This is called actual light goes with the help of beam. Single ray is only considering theme. Okay, I consider only ray phenomena, but actually when light goes from one medium to another medium and come back in the same medium, uh, this type of phenomena always discussed with the help of beam of light. Okay, so I don't know the ray of light, because it is very tough task to know about the ray of light. Okay, and now next point. Now next point, properties of light. Properties of light. Properties of light. The first property is light travels in straight line, in straight line path. Straight line path, and this condition is called rectilinear condition of light. This is called the rectilinear condition of light, or it is also known as the rectilinear propagation. What is the meaning of propagation? Propagation means when object does not appear but goes from one point to another point. As such type of the phenomena is called propagation. Propagation word means invisible object travels path. Okay, just like light is an invisible object. Okay, so rectilinear propagation, otherwise light travels in straight line. Okay, if light travels in a straight line, it means as such type of propagation of light is called rectilinear propagation. And now second point is the velocity of light. The velocity of light in vacuum or air is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, means 3 lakh kilometer per second. It is very enormous speed of light. Okay, now third point, light have particle as well as wave nature. And fourth point is light shows some phenomena like as reflection, refraction, and another total internal reflection, and number of phenomena. Okay, but in 10th standard only two phenomena important for you: reflection as well as the refraction, and dispersion and TIR, total internal reflection, is also phenomena of light. So here this is the property of light. Now my dear student, it is the basic of the light. After that we want to discuss about phenomena of light. Okay, phenomena of light, phenomenon of light. Light have many phenomena. Okay, first of all, reflection. Yes. Second is refraction. Third is dispersion. And atmosphere refraction, or it is also known as the TIR, total internal reflection. So many phenomena available for your knowledge. One of them is reflection, another is refraction, third is dispersion, and total internal reflection. On the reflection phenomena, we can study about mirror. On the refraction phenomena, we can study about lens. On the dispersion phenomena, we can study about prism. And TIR is very important for atmospheric refraction phenomena. All the atmospheric conditions we can explain with the help of TIR, which related with the light. Okay, so mirror have reflection phenomena, so lens will always explain with the refraction phenomena. If you want to analysis of prism, then prism define the dispersion phenomena and TIR. So hence we will start with reflection phenomena. What the meaning of reflection? Okay, what is the meaning of reflection? Now my dear, reflection of light means the bouncing back of light from a smooth surface or surface of an object is called reflection of light. Okay, bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Means if light come back its own previous medium after incident on the surface. Okay, light come back its own previous medium after incident on the surface. As such type of phenomena of light is called reflection. Okay, now remember this thing. This is the surface. Okay, this is the surface, and we want to show the light energy. So light energy can be shown with the help of arrow, and arrow is called the ray. So now this is called incident light. It is known as the incident light ray, right? And this medium is called opaque medium. Okay, opaque medium are those medium which does not allow to pass light energy through them. Okay, so now this is called normal, and light rays come back in same medium, means medium here and in this surface medium will be same because both sides are same, so it is come back in same medium. This light ray is called reflected light rays or reflected rays. Okay, remember always incident light rays. This medium is called opaque medium and it is the normal, and this light ray is goes in same medium is called the reflected rays, and angle with the normal and incident ray is called incident angle. Angle with reflected ray normal, angle inclined with the normal and reflected ray is called reflected angle. So remember this thing, angle I always equals to angle R for the reflection, means incident angle always equals to the angle of reflection if you want to analyze of reflection phenomena of light. Okay, so this is called the law of reflection. This is the first law of reflection. Okay, and another law, second law, incident light ray, normal and reflected rays always meet together at a same point. Okay, okay, incident light ray, normal and reflected ray always lies in same plane and same medium. Okay, at meet same point. Thank you.